Hello everyone. So welcome to this new video. English speaking is not difficult. It's very easy. You just need to learn some easy structures, some easy words, and you just listen. And you have to do a little practice continuously. So because structures are not difficult, but structures are more important than the vocabulary. So today we will talk about some easy structures. As you know that we use could. Could मैं ऐसा कर सका. I could do this. That's why I could this. That's why I could do this. इसलिए मैं ऐसा कर सका. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सका. I couldn't do this. So we are talking about the past. Yeah, we can also use the word could in the present also, like could you please give me your pen? क्या आप मुझे अपना पेन दे सकते हैं? It is like a very polite way of asking something from someone. So but here we are talking about past tense, like तो but when we are talking about कि मैं ऐसा कर सकता था, so here we have to use could have. मैं ऐसा कर सकता था. I could have done this. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता था. I could not have done this. वो ऐसा कर सकता था. He could have done this. और he could not have done this. या वे ऐसा कर सकते थे. They could have done this. They could not have done this. He could have done this. She couldn't have done this. So it's very simple. We are talking about past. मैं ऐसा कर सकता था. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता था. It's like that. So you just have to keep this in mind, and you can just think about something which you could have done but you couldn't done. Okay, आप ऐसा कर सकते थे बस, पर आप ऐसा कर नहीं सके. You could have done something but you couldn't do. Okay, so first you have to use a subject. Subject can be anything: he, she, I, you, we, they. And after that you have to use could have, and then third form. After have, we know that we always use third form of the verb. So it's very simple. Use it whenever you need it. Thank you for watching this video.